Hello buddies, nice that you are back here. And yesterday I taught you the D harmonic minor scale, which is the D harmonic minor scale on the baritone ukulele. Pretty the same fingering, everything the same, but it's a bit slower. So I thought, why shouldn't I switch? This is the reason why I call this video the switch. I switched to baritone and I love this more mellow and Spanish guitar style sound. So, what are the advantages in my eyes of playing the baritone ukulele? It's bigger and it has more volume, so you can stand more in the center of attention when you play with others. Then, like you see, it has a longer neck. So I have more possibilities because of a wider range. I'm doing more fingerstyle and bass technique. And it's tuned like the higher strings of the guitar. So the tuning of the baritone ukulele is D, G, B, E. So you can remind it like ducks get bread every day. The regular ukulele is tuned in G, C, E, A. But if you put a low G on your regular ukulele, you can still stay with me and learn with me and play with me, like you were also familiar with me that I only play and prefer low G because of linear tuning, so that I can go in my fav style, the Spanish style more. So, and what kind of advantages I have more? I have more possibilities of fingerstyle and bass technique. I have more volume and I have a wider range and I have the mellow sound. I am pretty in love with that. But you can save money because I tried today putting regular baritone ukulele strings on my tenor ukulele. I bought the DGBE strings, the red series of Aquia, and put it on my regular tenor ukulele. So this is my sweet custom designed Yuki. And hold on, I check. The strings are not in tune, I think. Wait. Okay. So it became also the mellow sound. But more the typical ukulele sound. So you can save money and spend like, I think 10 euro or 12 bucks for the regular strings, and you can check out if you like to play baritone and try it with your tenor ukulele. I think concert and soprano are too small for it. The Aquia strings I have pretty soft and low tension, so it wouldn't affect anything to the string. But I wouldn't try it with a smaller size. My recommendation before you say, hey Doña, you killed my ukulele. And on my other ukuleles, when we are talking about strings, I go further steps. I recommend you the Dadario strings, the black nylon ones, and I love the sound. Also the flucabone are very sweet. There I would recommend the Oasis. But I think to have more the Spanish or concert guitar style combined with a unique ukulele, I definitely would recommend you the Dario strings. And all links are below, and my preferred store, I show up here. You can order them there. I don't get any money, but I love this guy. He helps me always with my insane wishes of strings and ukulele. So stay with me. I don't care if you play the regular ukulele or baritone. I try to teach you what I am learning at the moment. And see you in the next tutorial. Big love and kiss, Doña.